Hi, I'm Bill Tweeden, kitchen and bath designer here at Western Products, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Showplace cabinet line. Showplace began in 1999 with just a modest group of experienced cabinet professionals and has since grown into a national brand with 900 dealers across all 50 states. Showplace is located in South Dakota, so it's a locally manufactured cabinet, American-made and 100% employee-owned, and has many of the features of custom cabinetry, but without the custom cost, much more affordable. In our new selection center, I was able to handpick what I feel are wonderful choices to complement your home. Let's take a look. Today, the #1 door style is a shaker door, and that's the same across the country with all cabinet lines. And I think that Showplace has done a great job of adding a small bevel here. It just gives it a more definition, easier to clean, and I think a better look. They have a wealth of unique doors. Here's that shaker door. Here's the shaker without a bevel, very square. And then this unique one I love. It's got a 1-inch mitered frame, very unusual. If you like shiplap, now you can get it as the panel of the door. Be a wonderful vanity or china cabinet, something different. Showplace also has quarter sawn white oak. If you like stickly furniture, antiques, if you have an older home or you want to add character in a remodel, this is a great choice. This one, I love the unique interior profile of the door. It's just different. And the Montana stain, it's called, has a really rustic appeal. A textured melamine door. So it looks like wood, feels like wood, it's not wood. It works in any humidity, it's very stable, very affordable. The best way to view Showplace Cabinetry is to come into the showroom in person. So please call and set up an appointment with me and let's get together and take a look. Hope to see you soon.